Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see this question, most of my students, they failed this question. So I decided to bring it up so that we can solve it together. So as we can see, this is a simultaneous equation. And this simultaneous equation, it is in the form of laws of exponent. So most of my students, they fail to get this. They forget maybe the concept. So let us take a look into this concept. So since it's a law of exponent, what we need to do is to convert 25 into exponent as well. So if we convert 25 into exponent, 25 is equals to 5 power 2. So if we are to rewrite, we have 5 exponent x minus 2y is equals to 5 power 2. And in this case, according to the laws of exponent, when we are dividing, we subtract the exponent. So if that is the case, it means 3 power 2x minus y is equals to 3 power 4. But not always. Only if the bases are the same, you can subtract the exponent. Now we can see that the bases are the same, and according to the laws of logarithm, we have looked into them, how we end up cancelling these 5. So by the end of the day, we can see that we have x minus 2y is equals to 2, and 2x minus y is equals to 4. So if that is the case now, we can solve by any method. The question did not specify graphical method, elimination method, or substitution method. The question did not specify. So we can solve by substitution method, where x is equals to 2 plus 2y for equation 1. So we have equation 1 and equation 2. So we take this equation 1, where we pull this to the other side, and when it skips equal sign, becomes a positive. So if that is the case, we are going to solve for the second equation. So the second equation is 2x minus y is equal to 4. For the value of x here, we are going to place 2 plus 2y bracket minus y is equals to 4. That's our new equation. So here, when you multiply, we get 4 plus 4y minus a y is equals to 4. So when we deal with the like terms, this is what we'll have. And here it will be 4 minus 4. We collected or combined the like terms together. So when we subtract here, we get 3y equals to 0. And we divide both by 3, both by 3. So we can actually see that y is nothing but 0. If y is 0, there's nothing else we can do other than substituting 2 plus 2 times 0. So x is equals to 2. Very simple. So that's our answer. The value of x is equals to 2. The value of y is equals to 0 for this equation. If you had to put 0 here, it will be 0, 4. So it will be 3 power 4, 3 power 4. Same goes if you had to put 0 here, we get 0. It will be 5 power 2. That's how we can prove and check. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.